Okay, class, I'm going to show you all how to sign up for Desmos. Basically, you would go to desmos.com and you would click on sign up. And then there are two ways you could sign up. You could do an external account or you could do an email address. With the external account, if you click these two buttons here, you could sign up using your Google email or sign up using your Apple sign in. Or you could click on the email address. And if you click on the email address, it already have, or you would need to check the I agree and I have read, and you will put the email and your name or nickname and password. Okay, so now after you do that, let me show you how Desmos look, because I actually did it with my Gmail. So you see my name comes up, you'll click graphing calculator, and then it will come up here. Now, if you look here, like say you're doing a Desmos project, and what you would need to do in order to do the Desmos project, as far as naming it, you could click save, and then you can name it, say, let's just say you want to name it first graph, and then save. So then now it's first graph. Now, there's a couple things that you may want to do here. All right, first of all, let's say that you wanted to name this like folder one. You could add, you could say folder, and then you could just say, let's just say you want to name it number one. When you press enter, you notice that this line goes down here, which means that this will all be in the folder. Every time you press enter, it will still go into the folder. But once you click on the next line without pressing enter, then it breaks the chain for that folder. So let's say we had 56, and then we want to go to folder 2. We'll click there, press add folder, and then we could put folder 2, enter, and then let's say we wanted to do a table. We type in a table, says 1, 3, and then we could do 4 and 5. And as you notice here, we have these dots here that come up here, these points. They're showing exactly where they are on the graph. Actually, I typed this in the wrong spot. I was supposed to type it here. All right, so let me add the table. I don't know why it keeps going back up here. Let's see. Yes, I don't know why it skipped. Well, maybe I was supposed to have it here. All right. I don't know, but for some reason, I'm having a little technical difficulty here with the tables, but you basically get the gist of how to go about doing this problem here. So now, so just to let you know, this is one way of doing it. Of course, as we go through the class, we'll get a little bit more in depth with it. But I just wanted to type in a couple things here to show you this one important point. Remember on the, I believe it was the intro video, I think when I talked about the Desmos assignments as far as turning them in, where you had to do a website, a link. So what you would do after you're done over here, you see this arrow, you will click on it, it says share graph. It will give you a link and you will press copy, and then you will go to your Desmos and then paste it. And then it will be sent to me and I'll be able to check your graph. Now, as long as you don't alter your graph, then I will be able to go and check it and be able to see what you did with your graph and grade it accordingly. So that's basically a rough draft of signing up and doing Desmos. But again, we will be going through some things in class with Desmos, and feel free at any time to ask questions. Have a wonderful day.